In the year 2200, humanity unlocked something extraordinary. A technology so advanced, it doesn't just process information. It rewrites the way reality itself behaves. This is quantum weave technology. Imagine every particle in the universe, connected by invisible threads vibrating with shared information. Quantum weave taps into those threads, linking atoms, energy, and even dimensions, instantly. Instead of circuits or processors, it uses quantum strands, living networks that respond like a brain, but on a scale far beyond human thought. One strand can store more data than every server on Earth combined. But how does it work? When two particles become entangled, they mirror each other, no matter the distance. Quantum weave expands this principle into billions of nodes. Each node vibrates at a specific frequency, creating a map of possible realities, and letting us choose the one we want. Inside a quantum weave core, you'd see tunnels of glowing light, particles teleporting from one point to another, and threads rippling like a living organism. It's the closest thing humanity has ever created to a thinking universe. With this power, we can stabilize wormholes, predict cosmic events before they happen, and calculate solutions that used to take centuries in a fraction of a second. Quantum surgeons can rebuild damaged DNA. Architects design floating megacities in real time. Even starships use it to navigate folded space. But the greatest impact isn't the technology. It's what it means for us. For the first time, humanity is no longer limited by speed, distance, or even time. Knowledge flows instantly. Every mind, every machine, every star system, connected in one vast web. The quantum weave becomes our new nervous system, a bridge linking humanity to the universe. We are explorers, thinkers, dreamers, and now, creators of possibilities once thought impossible. So as we stand on the edge of this new era, one truth becomes clear. The future isn't something we wait for. It's something we weave. And the next chapter of humanity is only just beginning.